So if you like big sound with a small package, look no further. Treblab may have you covered. What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So Treblab have sent me out their portable wireless speaker for review. This is the HD Max. So we're going to get into it and see what it's all about. Small package, big sound. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
The antenna.
So let's talk about the specs. The HD Max has 4 speakers, 2 at the top, 2 on the side here. We got 2 31mm drivers. Also, we have 2 70mm drivers with an output range of about 50 watts. The battery life on here is rated at about 20 hours of playtime if you have the volume at about 30%, and it has 5 hours of playtime at 100% volume with a charge time of about 5.5 hours. This speaker also have an IP rating. It's IPX6 water resistance, and as far as signal range, you can get about 33 feet or 10 meters. This also has TWS mode with the ability to pair up 2 speakers to this. Now, this is an all-in-one solution to charge other devices with a 12,000 milliamp battery power bank that's here underneath the speaker right here. And lastly, this speaker has 3 modes: indoor, outdoor, and a bass boost mode, which is really nice. And the price point for this speaker will set you back about $200. I will leave all product links down in the description below. All right, guys, so got the speaker ready to go. And the first thing you got to do is you got to go to your Bluetooth settings, and as soon as you turn the speaker on, you have to pair it up. Now, Treblab go pop up in your Bluetooth settings. All you gotta do is click on it, you're good to go. So that's the pairing process is really relatively simple. If you pair things up before, it's no problem, no issue to pair it up. All right, so let's go to listen to the sound here. I got some stuff queued up here. I got my man Dan Tanner. I use all his music for my videos. So if you want to know all the music that I use on my YouTube channel, go down and check out the link down in the description below. All right, let's go down and do this. Now, I've been listening to this speaker for a few days, and I'm gonna tell you right now that this speaker is nice. I love the sound that's coming out of this speaker. Listen to it. Nice highs, nice bass. Now, I have the speaker actually pointing this way. My microphone is right here. So this video would not give it justice, but I can tell you that this sound, ooh, yes, it sounds really good. Okay, so let's talk about the 3 modes. At the top right here, if you click the play button twice, it goes into the different modes. So I'm going to click it twice. Okay, so this sounds like outdoor mode. What this does is it raises the highs. And so right now, the highs is a lot louder, and the mids is a lot louder, and the bass is not as loud. I want you to listen to this. Okay, so we have another mode, what's called bass mode, right? So let's go and click it again. Okay, so in this mode, what this does is it turns down the highs and mids a little bit and it boosts up the bass. This right here is my favorite mode right here. It's because it tones down the highs and mids a little bit and it gives it a little bass. So if you like that good punchy bass, this is probably the perfect mode. All right, I'm gonna go back into the indoor mode. All right, so there we go. We're gonna switch songs. Go to one of my favorites. And this is a nice orientation right here. So when you look at this orientation, you do see the speaker vibrating right here. This is a pretty neat orientation. Okay. As I'm turning it upside down here, it actually started the song over. Let's go on and take a look at this at the bottom. All right, you got the 3.5 millimeter jack right there. Also, with your a USB charging port, USB-C, and you have your USB-A. This is for your power bank if you want to charge other devices. So here it is. Nice. And you do have a nice tight clip here, so you won't get any water in it and stuff like that. Okay. Now, if I turn it this way, all right, so I have it this way, and again, my microphone is right here. I'm gonna tell you, the sound is so good here. I love the sound coming out this. Okay. Yes. The strap is definitely a must accessory. You must have the strap because this speaker is pretty heavy. So, I mean, it is what it is. Full sound. So let me give you my thoughts about this speaker. It sounds really good. I really do like the sound quality that's coming out of here. You have a mixed balance of sound. You have your 3 modes, indoor, outdoor, and bass boost. I really do like that. This video probably not giving it justice as far as the sound quality. Only thing I can tell you is that the sound quality coming out of this speaker is really good. It's really heavy. It's almost 6 pounds. So, you know, it's really heavy. But overall, I like the quality of sound with the speaker. I will leave all product links down in the description below. I will give a huge thanks to Treblab for sending this speaker out for review. This one right here is really good. Just a little heavy, but I understand why. Look, small package, heavy, sound really good with a big sound, big quality sound. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the portable wireless Bluetooth speaker in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.